TestNG is a powerful testing framework designed for Java developers, inspired by JUnit and NUnit. It is widely used for automating test cases in more flexible and easier way. Here is a simple introduction to TestNG, focusing on 5 key points. What is TestNG? TestNG stands for Test Next Generation. It's a testing framework built to simplify a wide range of testing needs, such as unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. TestNG overcomes some limitations of older frameworks like JUnit by offering additional features like annotations, parallel execution, and detailed test report. It's especially useful in larger projects where tests need to be organized and executed in structured manner. Annotations. Annotations are a core feature of TestNG. They are used to control the flow of the test methods and to configure different aspects of the test cases. Common annotations includes @test, which identifies a method as a test case, @before method and after method to set up and tear down conditions for each test, @data provider, which is used to pass multiple data sets of data to test method. These annotations make TestNG tests more readable and easier to manage. Then parallel execution. TestNG allows parallel executions of the test cases, which can significantly reduce the time required to run a large test suite. This is especially beneficial when testing application with multiple modules or when running tests in different environments. By specifying a few settings in the TestNG configuration file, tests can be run simultaneously, making the testing process faster and more efficient. Then flexible test configuration. TestNG offers a flexible way to configure and organize test cases. It uses XML file testng.xml, where you can define which classes and methods to include or exclude from testing. Set the sequence of tests and even group test methods. This level of flexibility helps in creating complex test scenarios and in managing large projects where certain tests need to be run under specific conditions. Then detailed reporting. One of the standout features of TestNG is its ability to generate detailed test report. After execution, TestNG provides a report that includes information about the number of tests passed, failed, or skipped, along with the reasons for failures. These reports are valuable for developers and testers to quickly identify issues and track the overall progress of the testing efforts. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please do subscribe, and if you are watching it on Facebook or Instagram, then please follow me for more such content. Thank you very much.